Courseville is a collaboration network for your courses. It allows you to continue interacting with your professor and with others in the class even after the class is over. To get started, as a student, you need to provide your course code given to you by a professor and create your account. Once you join, you are taken to your course page where you can interact with others in your class. All relevant events and conversations around your course happen on the board of your course. For example, if the class has been moved to another room today, your professor would announce it on the board so everyone can be informed about it. Or if you missed your class today and are looking for the handout given in the class, you could post on the board and someone could lend you their copy of the handout. That was easy. You can also share documents, links to other websites, or videos on the board with rest of the class too. Not just that, you can also write anything mathematical and ask for help or share something. Let me show you how this works. Suppose I'm stuck on solving an expression. I could post it on the board like this. To post a math expression, click on Math and it will insert the tags for you. Between these two symbols, you need to write a mathematical expression. I'll paste one here that is an example and click Post. Wow, that's a full mathematical expression on the board of the class. Now, how do these come about? Well, if you would like to learn, click on this and you'll see details on how to post anything mathematical, and it's not too hard. You can post Greek letters, binary symbols, binary operators, everything that you would like over here. Remember the time when you had questions around your course and you wished someone could answer them? Guess what? You're not the only one. We all have questions. The questions section of the course is designed specially for this. If you have a question, you can start typing it here. If someone has already asked something like this before, wow, you're in luck. Just click on it and you'll see the answer. That was easy. If not, just post your question. Let's try that. If you would like to add more details, you could add them here. Worried that you might have a dumb question? That's not a problem. We all feel that way sometime or other. Just ask your question anonymously. Only your professor will know who asked the question and no other students in the class. So go ahead, you are well protected. Or you could just ask it as yourself. It's very much possible some other student will answer your question or your professor will answer it when they log in next. Wondering how you will be informed if your question is answered? Just leave this page on and when someone answers the question, the page will update automatically. Not just that, you will also learn from what questions others in the class are asking and answers to those questions. Your professor might give assignment to the class on Courseville. When they do, we automatically post this on your course board to keep you informed. Or you can always go to the assignments application, which is in the assignment applications section, and look at the assignments. Suppose this is the homework that you would like to take a look at. Just click on it and you can read the details, download the attachment, and see the questions. Suppose you've already prepared your solutions. To submit a solution, just click on the submit button, pick your file with your solutions, upload it, and that's it. You've submitted your assignment. Similarly, your professor might ask you to take an online quiz that they prepared for you. You can know when that happens by finding a post on the course board like this one here, or by going to the quizzes app directly. So let's go to the quizzes app. Well, there are two quizzes here. The first one the student has taken earlier, and the second one is the one they need to take now. So let's try that. This quiz has two questions. You can read the question, pick your answer, the question, and submit the quiz. That's it. You're done. Sometimes quizzes can be timed too, but in this case, it wasn't. Your professor will be notified of your response too, and in some cases, quizzes could be graded automatically the moment you submit them. Isn't that nice? If you're working on a project with others in the class, we have something just for you. Go ahead and create a study group. Give it a name. Say this is a case study for business ethics. Let's name it like that and say create study group. Take this secret code that is only known to you and give it to other people in your study group. They can go and click on join a study group, give the code, and join you. Now you and your friends have your own private group to collaborate, post any material that is relevant for the course study group, and work on it. Let's say we want to post a document. And we want to attach a file. Pick the file and click post. This is available just to you and your other friends in the course. There are a few more things that are worth mentioning about Courseville. If you click on the Courseville name here, you get to see anything that is posted on any board with which you're related. The Q&A feed shows you any activity that happens, whether it is asking a question or answering a question on any of the courses. If you would like to see what this person has answered, you can go to click on question and get to see what the instructor answered. That was easy. To get back, just click on Courseville. You could go to direct messages and send a message to anybody you like with whom you're connected. If there are any significant events, you'll be notified on notifications. And if you would like to change any settings related to your account, say the notifications for which you receive emails, you could go here and make changes that you like. And lastly, you have a calendar which automatically records any events that are related around your courses, and you could see them here. If you would like, you can always go ahead and create an event. And last but not the least, if there is something you would like help with or would want us to know, we are just one click away. Click on the feedback and support link on bottom of any page, and we are here to help you. We hope this gave you a good overview of Courseville. There are lots of other ways it can be of use to you, so go ahead and explore.